Remember, the method is more about giving back.
My name is Marik.
My name is Elliot. We are KonMari consultant and educators for the KonMari method. The KonMari method
is about choosing joy.
People have said a lot about the KonMari method, that it's very individualistic and almost selfish because we think about our own joy before thinking about the environment. As much as possible, we tend to advise people not to throw anything out, but to donate it as much as possible. Of course, if that wedding dress needs to be burned out, we will provide you the matches.
You know what you will hear yourself saying when you will do your decluttering? You will hear yourself say, wow, I never realized I had so many t-shirts. Or I never realized I had so many mugs for my coffee. And this actually will make an impact on yourself. And since that moment, you will buy stuff in a different way.
We call it the cold shower, and it is this cold shower that will make you change the way you consume. Before you buy anything, that you're going to ask yourself, will this really contribute to me? But also, what will it say about me? What will it say on how I take the universe, our planet? How do I want to protect it as well?
You know what our biggest motivation is? It's when the people who do the decluttering at some point say, well, my motivation is that I never want to go through this again.